Hello, welcome to the website Care for Pets. I want to use this website as an example of different things one can do in a very basic PowerPoint presentation. First, when you choose a file and choose New, you can choose different themes. I chose the gallery theme. Now to go back to the first slide, I have chosen a slide with 2 columns and I imported 2 pictures, but you don't have to. The new slide can be title and content, comparison, picture with caption, and you'll see all of them in this PowerPoint. To go to the third slide, I put in pictures that are of the same pet but different pictures, and later they'll be resized. In this slide, I used a border to make the photograph look more like a photograph. This should say you can teach a cat new tricks. Finally, I embedded a video in this PowerPoint slide, and this is a video of a cat interacting with a computer. We don't have time to watch it, but you can go to the YouTube video. Finally, there's going to be a website called Care for Pets at petcare.com with a survey, a link, and a phone number.